Have you ever wondered how hackers break into systems? Is hacking always illegal? Or is there more to it than what movies show? Hacking simply means finding clever ways to bypass rules or systems, usually by understanding how they work deeply. It's not always bad. There are different kinds of hackers. White hats help fix systems. Black hats break in for personal gain. Grey hats are somewhere in the middle. Ethical hackers protect banks, apps, and even your phone. They find security holes before criminals can exploit them. Some hacks changed the world, like the 2014 Sony hack or the WannaCry ransomware attack. These events showed how powerful and dangerous hacking can be. Hacking itself is just a tool. It depends on how you use it. With the right mindset, it can make the internet a safer place. If you found this video interesting, like, share, and subscribe. Let's decode more tech together.